So, welcome back guys. This is part 2 of the HOONING vlog. Part 2. Yes, we just, we didn't hop out of the FN2 today. That actually happened about 2 days ago, and sorry that we never completed the video on that car. However, I thought I'd just take this opportunity for us to film my good friend Aldine and his also brand new smelling Fiesta ST. We're just gonna take it for a nice drive, see how it compares to the FN2. Obviously the FN2 is a couple years older than what this car is, and then just see which one of the two fares better in that daily category as a hot hatch. Obviously the differences between the two cars is that Ziad's Honda was naturally aspirated, and this one is turbocharged. Am I correct, Aldine?
Yes, that's right.
Okay, that's right. So they both 6-speed manual front wheel drive, so party car boys. Yes. So yeah, let's hit the road. Aldine, can you tell me why you chose this car instead of any other cars in the same category?
Well, to be honest, I was actually looking for any form of a GTI,
Okay.
and then
Every colored guy's dream, man.
But then to be honest, I was looking like in terms, yes, there may be some of them might be a bit quicker.
Okay.
But in terms of the price category, like those are a bit more pricier.
Of course, yes, it's a
But
GTI,
these are,
bro.
in my opinion, these are also as good.
Yeah, why not? If you're getting, kind of a hot hatch experience. Obviously the Golf is faster because it's got a bigger displacement and, obviously the top range of the market. But one thing I do admire of these cars as opposed to majority of the GTIs on the road there is the fact that we have this little thing called a gear shifter, gear lever, manual gearbox, what I like to call the party pedal, because without that pedal life can get kind of boring. Yes, it's faster, but I feel like this is a lot more engaging. Manual boys for life. Keep that in mind. So yes guys, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, hit the notification bell. I don't even know if I have that option yet, but just do everything that you can to help the channel grow. Got some attitude, no? Can feel it. Kind of feels light from the passenger seat, which is always fun. Good. Okay. I like the mid-range torque of it. The mid-range torque of it is kind of cool. Look at those weird people. I hope you see this video. There's weird people from Sirius staring at us like that, like we're doing something, I don't know. Anyway.
We within speed limit.
Yeah, guys, we're within the speed limit, so don't know why they're staring. Anyway, I like how peppy this thing feels. It's not lazy at all. Okay. There we go. Now we can focus a bit more on that sound and not get that wind noise in, but I love it. Wow, okay. I like how subtle everything is. It's not overkill, like usually by now GTI would have had those obnoxiously loud pops and bangs.
Oh, yes,
The whole But we love the GTI, guys, though. We love everyone. We still love
ultimate goal, still want the GTI.
Still want the GTI.
Just wanted to get this out of my system before I
Of course. Nah, most definitely, bruh. Most definitely, we need to do what we can while we can, man. The can, man. Don't matter if you're African, American, Mexican. Okay, so I want to know how much is your large chips parcel, please? Large chips parcel. How much? 35. Office. How's a medium? How much is a medium? Yeah, make it a medium. Special sauce.